Do you understand English but struggle to speak it? Do you know the words but when you start speaking your mind suddenly goes blank? Don't worry. You don't need an expensive English course. You don't need to move to an English-speaking country. And you don't even need a speaking partner. You can improve your English speaking skills by yourself. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful steps that you can practice every day. Let's get started. Step 1. Speak English every day. The first step is simple. Speak English every day. Even if you're completely alone, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, I am getting ready for university. I am drinking tea. I have an important class today. I need to finish my homework. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. Your goal is to make your brain comfortable with speaking English. Remember, you don't become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. Step 2. Think in English. The second step is to stop translating everything. Many learners think in their native language first, and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. When you see a door, think, open the door. When you're hungry, think, I am hungry. When you're going outside, think, I am going outside. Start with simple sentences. With daily practice, your brain will slowly begin to think in English automatically. Don't translate English. Start thinking English. Step 3. Listen and repeat. The third step is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation and fluency. Find an English video, podcast, movie scene, or short speech. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Then repeat it exactly like the speaker. Copy their pronunciation, rhythm, speed, and expression. For example, how are you doing today? Pause the video. Now you say, how are you doing today? Practice this for just 10 minutes every day. This technique is called shadowing, and it can help you speak more naturally. Listen, repeat. Step 4. Record yourself speaking. The fourth step is to become your own speaking partner. Take your phone and open the voice recorder. Choose a simple topic. For example, my daily routine, my favorite movie, my university, my future goals. Now, speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Don't stop because of mistakes. Just keep talking. Then, listen to your recording. Notice your pronunciation, grammar, pauses, and confidence. Now, record yourself again. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become. Step 5. Use English every day. The final step is the most important. Use English in your daily life. Don't learn English only from textbooks. Use it. Write your daily plans in English. Search for things in English. Watch English videos. Read short English articles. Talk to yourself in English. Learn useful phrases and use them in your own sentences. And remember one important rule. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you're practicing. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need to start speaking to achieve better English.